Hello everyone, so if you want to adjust exposure on your iPhone 12 Pro, you are to open up a camera application on your phone. Now after you've opened up your camera application, tap on the screen and as you see it has this little box with the sun on it, right here. So simply drag the scale and as you see the sun moves and adjusts your exposure. Now it's all about the taste and situation, right? So if you're outside and the sun shines bright, you can set the slider for minus 1.3 is recommended by pros for street photography, and this will ensure that your photos won't be overexposed. Or for example, if you're taking a photo in a dark place and you need to edit up, so simply edit up. As you see, it becomes brighter. And basically that's it. Why does this matter? Because first of all, this is fast. Plus it helps you to avoid the hassle of task manual adjustment, especially if you're used to professional cameras. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.